Hi, I'm Louis, one of the creators of Distr. Distr is an open source software distribution platform that helps you ship your software in environments you simply can't SSH into. Our platform handles the entire distribution lifecycles, from installation to updates to monitoring and debugging. In this demo, I want to show you how easy it is to ship updates to customer environments without SSHing into the server. The application we're deploying is a simple demo application with a Next.js frontend, a Python backend, a Postgres database, and a simple proxy for routing and certificates. Currently, Distr is running on the legacy bank infrastructure in version 0.2.1. Logging into Distr, we see that there's a new version available. We have a GitHub action that automatically pushes all new version into Distr. So the first thing we want to do is we want to check the Docker Compose file. So let's check the tags. This is the updated version. Perfect. Next step is we will set the environment. This is a template where we can adjust all the configurable values in Distr. So the next step is just to simply deploy. So we deployed successfully, but it seems there's an error. So the next thing we want to do is we want to check the logs and see what went wrong with the deployment. Inspecting the logs, we will see that we forgot to set the database name. So this is something we can easily update in Distr. So the next thing we'll do, we'll update, we'll set a database name, and redeploy the application. And this time, we'll see that the Docker Compose is being applied. The status jumped to green. Let's check if the update was successfully deployed. Hello Distr, everything is healthy. Distr, it was deployed in version 0.2.2. And also looking at the logs, everything looks healthy. Those are the agent logs. Let's look at the container logs, frontend, backend, accepting connections. Perfect. We have a comprehensive guide in our docs how to fully automate this process from the release of your software to shipping it to a customer environment. Navigating to our dashboard, we get a full overview of all of our customers and which version they're running on. Distr is an open source software distribution platform that handles the entire software lifecycle in environments you simply can't SSH into.